We're in the process of doing a rubber roof here. 60 mil EPDM adhered to 1-inch ISO board. The first step is to remove the existing roof, dispose of it, get it down to the decking. Here we had a couple layers, so a little more difficult, but it's nothing that we can't handle. Then we evaluate the deck and see what's been rotted, what gets a little wet, and then replace that. And that's pretty much step number one. All right, so the second part of this process, once we have the roof torn off, is installing this 1-inch ISO board, 4x8 sheets. This is two purposes. For one, good surface for the rubber to adhere to, and also adds insulating quality to the building. Here you can see the roof is covered with the ISO board, got the plates and screws in them. Pretty much step number two in the process, and the next step is getting the rubber adhered to it. After we got the ISO board laid out, we're going to apply this bonding adhesive. This goes on the top of the substrate here, the ISO, on the bottom of the rubber as it's rolled out for full adhesion. The drip edge is installed at the exposed edges of the roof using the 3-inch screws approximately spaced a foot apart. We apply some primer, allow that to dry off, and then apply 6-inch cover strip rolled out with a roller. Okay, so here we have an outside corner. Corner flashings and EPDM is required to use 6-inch uncured flashing tape. It's flexible. Alright, so we got the membrane running up the wall at least 4 inches. Behind the membrane, we're going to install this water cutoff mastic. We install the termination bar that compresses it and keeps it watertight, so we'll do that. Sticky stuff, don't get it on your hands. Okay, so here we have what's called termination bar. Since this is masonry sidewall, we're going to install these anchors. We'll have a hammer drill into it. So I'll show you that. And that compresses both the rubber and the mastic behind it, and then we'll put a lap caulking on top of this to properly seal water from coming down behind the membrane. Okay, so we got the complete system here. This is 60 mil EPDM black rubber, fully adhered to 1-inch ISO. We have the edge work done, full tear off, termination bar, everything sealed and caulked up. So this is pretty much what you're looking at for the scope of work, so you guys can understand exactly what's being done. Thank you.